multi-purpose trail. Oh no, path's closed. Oh man, no. Oh well, we'll see. See if it's just fine. Why is it closed? Well, why is the trail closed? Wonder what the deal is. No vehicles in this area. Oh no, they got it coned off. Oh no, let's see. What's going on? What's going on here? Why is it all coned off? Wait a minute. Oh no. Oh, be careful through here. Oh. Best be careful going through here. Man, all this damage. Ah. Okay, trail's closed. All that damage. Yeah, let's see if there's another one. Man, the road washed out. How's it going? Good. Good, yourself? Yeah, not bad. Thanks for asking. What are you? Oh, you are here. Yeah, there we go.